In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can find the Sotoyama ski resort here in Forza Horizon 6. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. First things first, go ahead and open up your world map. I recommend toggling the map regions for this, and you need to make your way up to Sotoyama all the way over here. If you zoom in a little bit, you're looking for like this kind of platform right here. Go ahead and fast travel here if you have the ability to, or just fast travel to the nearest location that you've actually currently visited. Looks like there's a mascot here that I have not gotten yet either, so let me go ahead and get this guy. But essentially what you need to do is just make your way over to this location and take a picture really of anything here, whether it's these buildings. It doesn't necessarily matter as long as you're on the actual like ski lift location. I know a lot of people just take a picture over of like this building right here. So essentially just go here, open up that camera. You can zoom in, zoom out, take a picture of a building. As long as you take a picture of the building itself, you're going to get yourself that picture. The process really is that simple. If you guys had any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and it lets us know that you want more content. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.